But I know this is like high-level corporate perspective. I would really like to deep dive on the Kubernetes perspective and observability. I heard that there's Robusta helping you on creating observability. There's a lot of tools and open source tools that contribution as well on that. So how exactly you guys go by that, and how it helps you optimize the cost further?
Yes, thank you, Shuja. On Kubernetes side, obviously, as I mentioned earlier as well, that there's some of it observability and tracking that's provided with the native cloud dashboards that are there. But then the additional one that we do, and luckily we see a lot of work being happening in this area. There's Pixie, there's Robusta. And there are many more tools which are actually doing the in-depth observability and returning you all those detailed logs of your Kubernetes cluster, which helps you kind of like granularly have more control over your cluster and how it's being shared. Maybe you might have a multi-tenant environment, maybe you have shared among your business units or something like that. So in either the cases, they provide you a way more granular outlook on what's happening. And another thing, interestingly, their other tools have come up as well, which is KubeCost and OpenCost and Harness. And what they do is exactly if it's a cloud deployment, they would get ingrained. You use the APIs, cloud cost APIs to monitor the cost part, and they would be more delving deeper into every details of the pods running, each individual pod, on which node it's running, all its usage and everything, and translating that and giving it to you in form of the cost, budget, and overall cost that's happening at your end. Right. So in overall, in terms of Kubernetes, I see this as a very good new emerging field, which is using all of these observability and cost monitoring tools together, so that overall we are able to monitor and control our budgets.
And so the best part about this is that as an Xgrid, we are working on multiple direction for Pixie and Robusta, and when having some open source contribution.
Yes, what generally happens is sometimes their line of development and growth for new startup projects, which the companies open up, and then they kind of keep holding on to them, trying to maybe see how the future of that particular development line would look like but still what's happening over there is the resources are running. And it's there. Yes, you might be in ready state, but there's a cost attached to it. So if you can simply automate those things. If we do not have a ready project, it takes a while to actually set up a new project for them. So in that case, the CI/CD and the automation, as many automation tools that we have, based on IAC scripts and stuff like that. So what we did was we automated the whole project deployment, and that reduced the overall deployment time. So now if you need that project again, we can deploy it in 15 minutes, and if you don't need it anymore, then let's just cut it out.
Yeah. So I think in a nutshell, I think all three of us would agree. If we have all the tools, we have all the automation tools, the cost monitoring tools, and all the other monitoring tools. It's just a matter of using them proactively and properly
and automatically as well.
And automatically, yeah.